to Sissy. Today we will be seeing how meetu plays with the straws. He loves and likes to play with the straws. And sometimes he wants to get out and start exercising. So meetu likes to exercise, and birds are very active like Shiny and meetu. And naughty. Our mom always cleans the house, but naughty meetu always wants to keep everything down. Yep, we love playing with him. Shiny also is cute, and sometimes he gets bored, so we take him out and start playing with him. So then when we bought him, he was kind and lovely. Well, he's still nice and lovely and friendly. Even meetu. When we bought meetu, she was very cute. Thank you. Bye-bye.